What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so glad to have you. My name is Milo and I do travel and lifestyle vlogs. Now in this week's video, we're going to talk about a product that might change the way we take a look at our GoPro cameras. And that's the reason why we're doing this video. I was actually waiting for the products to get home. They were sent by mail. Took a while because of the whole virus stuff, but they're here and I cannot wait to show you guys and obviously to test them out and see if they were actually worth the investment of almost $170. So stick around because we're about to find out. Alright guys, so if you have used a GoPro before to record videos or to vlog, then we all have one problem in common, and like I said, that is the audio. It is an amazing action camera. It records awesome videos, but when it comes to talking to the camera and, you know, just doing interviews or doing whatever you want to do that's audio related, it kind of sucks. But there's actually a way to fix this, and that is, first of all, by purchasing GoPro's microphone adapter, which is around $50 on their website. But then you need a microphone. In my case, I decided to go with Rode's Video Micro, which is a shotgun mic, as you guys can see. But the problem is that once I hook it up to the adapter and the adapter to the camera, it doesn't really look nice. It's kind of disorganized and it just doesn't feel right. But luckily, there's this brand called Ulanzi, and they came up with this, which is a case or a cage similar to this one right here. So you can hook up the shotgun mic along with the adapter and keep it all organized and have a super professional setup for the GoPro, which I'm so excited because this is definitely something very useful, not only for newbies in this YouTube and filmmaking industry like myself, but honestly, this is something useful for everybody. Because let's face it, once you got one of these big old cameras, they're heavy and they're kind of difficult to carry around, especially if you do travel and lifestyle vlogs like myself. It can be a hassle to walk around and tour different cities and places with big bags and big cameras. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna do an unboxing and we're gonna set this whole thing up, and then stick around because we're gonna go out and test the microphone in different setups, inside the house, outside, in a car, so on and so forth. And yeah, let's see how this goes. Alright guys, so let's get this set up. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take this off. Now we're gonna open up the cage, pull out the GoPro. By the way, the GoPro that I have is the Hero 7 Black, just in case you guys are wondering. And then the next thing we have to do is we gotta remove this piece right here. So all you gotta do is you open it up, yank it out, because here is where the adapter is gonna go hooked up. So all you gotta do is hook it up here. There you go. And now let's take a look at the mic. All right, so here's the mic. Once again, this is a shotgun mic from Rode. I bought it at a local Best Buy. I read on Google and in different places amazing reviews about this mic. So again, if you're serious about your vlogging, number one thing you gotta look out for when you're starting and throughout your career is audio, for sure. It might be good to invest in a good mic from the very beginning. So let's check this out. All right, so we got our Rode mic with the, I guess, the wind cover or wind muff, cable to hook it up, and I guess this mount for the cold shoe for the camera. I guess we're gonna hook this up here. Yep, just stick it in. Okay, let's open this up. Now we just hook it up to the back and we put this here so it doesn't move. There you go, perfect. Now the only thing left is just to hook up the mic to the adapter, and voila, here you go. Here's your setup so you can have better audio with your GoPro footage. But now, do you guys see what I'm saying, that this is a problem? I mean, how am I supposed to vlog? Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It doesn't look professional or just user-friendly at all. But check this out. Let's just move all this out of the way. And let's welcome the star of this video, the Ulanzi GoPro cage or GoPro case, whatever you guys want to call it. All right, so let's do the quick unboxing of the Ulanzi case or cage. So pretty simple, here it is. I'm guessing this is where the GoPro adapter goes. Here's the cold shoe for the mic, and in here, the GoPro. Now, we got that. Oh, it also comes with the piece to hook it up to your GoPro selfie stick or holder, whatever you want to call it. Not quite sure. And then we have another bag with the 2 screws and I guess this screwdriver, for the lack of a better name. All right, so all we're gonna do is we're gonna hook this up to the bottom, screw it in. And just so you guys know, the price of this Ulanzi cage was about $40 if I'm not mistaken. I got it through Amazon, and I'm gonna leave the links to all the products in the description down below. All right, let's just make sure that we got the screws in and that they're tight. Yep. Now, the other thing is be careful when you're screwing them in, because if you tie them up really hard, you'll see that you'll start messing them up a little bit. Maybe it's hard to see with the camera, but just keep that in mind. All right, so this is it. This is the whole cage. Here, to open it up, we're just gonna push up. This comes out, and let's throw in the GoPro in here. Okay, fits perfectly. Let's put this piece back to keep it inside. So far, so good. I mean, GoPro doesn't move. It gives you access to the record button easily, so it's not covered. And here's the power button. So yeah, so far I'm liking this. Let's see, how does this go? Okay, so you're gonna throw this in here. Hook it up here. Here's the hole so you can hook up the mic. Awesome. So far, dude, I'm loving this. I mean, we got the camera here, the adapter, the microphone hooked up, and you got enough space for your index finger to come in and just press record. Let's turn on the camera, and that's it. Guys, it's on. Check it out. And the best thing is, I don't know if you can see it in that camera, but you don't see the mic in the frame, so that's awesome. Perfect. Wow. You have to keep it at an angle. There it is. That's it, guys. Awesome, right? So now that we've seen this, let's go ahead and test this bad boy. First one we're gonna do with the bike. At the end of the day, it is an action camera, and I gotta say that right now we have the mic hooked up, so hopefully you guys are hearing me well. Let's see how it goes with the bike. Wish me luck. Haven't ridden a bike in years. Both vlogging and riding bicycle at the same time. Hopefully you guys are hearing me well with the mic, and if you guys are, this will be awesome. Okay guys, so again, no mic on a bike. Let's see how it goes. But again, check it out, riding a bike just outside of my neighborhood. We can hear some birds humming, and A little bit of the wind, some cars passing by. Now we're inside the house. There's a lot of echo in my house for some reason. And right now the mic is hooked up again. So hopefully you guys can see. And my bad if I just keep on looking at the mic. It's awesome. But anyway, as I was saying, I really hope you guys are noticing the difference between the mic being plugged in and not being plugged in. Again, Jesus Christ, I need a haircut. Oh, hey, there you guys are. So just so you guys know, this next test we're gonna do is obviously while driving inside the car. I got the AC all the way to the max. Well, not to the max, but it's pretty high. Microphone is set up as well on the GoPro, and yeah, hopefully you guys are hearing me well. Again, I have not seen the footage yet as of right now. Obviously when I get back home and I start editing the videos and all that stuff, I'll see it. But now let's see what the difference is without the mic. 3, 2, quítalo. Okay, so the microphone is off. By now you guys should be noticing a difference. This is the same video. Alright guys, so we're out in the street just walking around. And by the way, I don't think I have said this, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell so you get notified when my new videos come out. And if you guys have gotten any value out of this video, hit the thumbs up and let me know in the comments below, what do you guys think about this setup to vlog with your GoPro. This is another test that I wanted to do with a face mask. Obviously it's been a challenge for a lot of content creators that don't have a mic, that are just starting out like myself, that vlog with their cell phones or with a GoPro. It's hard to hear yourself with a face mask. And in case you guys are wondering, where am I recording this right now? I'm actually in the dog park where I filmed the other video about my dog, and just showing you guys what a day in my life looks like. If you haven't seen that, you can actually watch it up here or down in the description below as well. Okay guys, we just made it back from the park, and again, I gotta tell you guys that this product is just unbelievable. I loved it. I felt super comfortable holding the camera. I do have to say that it's a little bit heavier than the usual, just because again, we have a mic now, and the cage where the GoPro goes is from aluminum, so it does weigh a little bit more. And then on top of that, you also have the microphone adapter for the GoPro, so that obviously makes it a little bit heavier. It's not that big of a deal at all. I do feel a little bit more confident when I'm delivering the content to you guys, just because I feel like I look a little bit more professional. On the other hand, I do want to tell you guys that I spent $165 for the whole thing. So the microphone, the microphone adapter from GoPro, and the Ulanzi vlogging cage. So if we take into account the cost of the setup and we add up the cost of the GoPro camera, that comes out to roughly about $565, $70 more or less, which is the same price as a Canon M50 that it's used by a lot of YouTubers out there. It's a very, very popular camera, and obviously it's gonna deliver higher quality results. But obviously the GoPro gives you other advantages that a regular camera wouldn't give you, like again, going underwater, snow, so on and so forth. So again, it's up to you guys, up to the type of content that you guys are going to create. But overall, I think in my particular case, it is definitely worth the investment, since I already had the GoPro camera. It's up to you, it's up to your own situation. In my case, I got the GoPro as a birthday gift about a year ago. Before I even thought about making videos for YouTube, I just got it because I love to snorkel and be underwater and take videos and pictures, and that's the reason why I have it. Okay guys, and remember, let me know in the comments below, what do you guys think about this setup? And also, I want to know if you guys have the chance to pick between a camera like the Canon M50 or the setup that I have going on right now with the GoPro, what would you guys go with? And also, if you're new here in the channel, or you've been here before but you just haven't subscribed yet, remember, you guys haven't seen my best or my worst video yet, so subscribe to the channel, hit the bell so you guys get notified when new videos come out, and By the way, there are some pretty cool videos coming soon, so you guys have to be on the lookout for that, and the only way to do it is again by subscribing to the channel. If you guys have gotten any value out of this video, go ahead and hit the thumbs up. I would truly appreciate it because that helps out a lot. Share it with your friends and family, and with that, I will see you guys in the next video.